Salvira, how are you?
Hi Neeraja, I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good too, thank you. So, where are you from? And yes, we are twinning.
Yes, excited about it.
So, where
Yes,
are
so
you
basically
from?
I'm from a small town called Tinsukia, which is in Upper Assam. So I belong from there.
Uh-huh. So, what are you specialized in?
I am specialized in soft skills, which enhances our personality development. And basically now I am also working on specifically on communication as well as a part
Oh,
of
in,
soft skills.
interesting. So, what led you to become coach in soft skills and personality development?
Nothing that specific, but actually, I was from a background from aviation actually for more than a decade. So
That's
there
nice.
I was into training. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
so there I was into training background and everything, and also I've got an opportunity to train my in like the team, the interior team actually. So
Mm-hmm.
from there I got an opportunity and also an interest that I should train people, and I'm good in imparting training. So why not soft skills? Because the spectrum of this skills is like very wide. It's not confined to any age or any profession. So I thought
Mm-hmm.
of taking this as a good opportunity to start my own independent journey in soft skills and personal.
That's nice. So you started from aviation training
Yes,
and now you train people like globally, or it's just that pan India?
pan India right now. I've just
Oh,
started.
nice. I wish
But
you
maybe
grow your community globally.
thank you so much. It's basically I want to empower teens,
Mhm,
teenagers, basically
mhm,
11 years above, and corporates and entrepreneurs because it is
mhm.
required in every profession or whatever do in your life. So basically, it's a life skill, people skills. So
Yes,
that
that's true.
actually have made my interest to come into this background,
Mm-hmm.
this niche. Yes.
Okay, got you. So, how do you offer classes? Is it offline or online?
It's totally online right now. I've started with the
Uh-huh,
online classes only. So let's
uh-huh.
see if I can do it offline someday in future. But for now, it's completely online.
Okay. So, you have any idea to put a training academy at your
Yes, I'm
place?
thinking because I have started my own startup right now as the Skills Mentorship.
Uh-huh.
I'm the founder of
Mm-hmm.
the Skills Mentorship as well. So I am having a broad vision regarding like to start my own academy and to have my own courses set up. So fingers crossed.
So, how do you help your clients to achieve their professional and personal goals?
The mool mantra, the main mantra which I give to every people, every client which I met in my life during my one-on-one mentorships, because
Mhm,
basically I prefer doing one-on-one mentorships only,
mhm,
compared to group coaching because that is very
mhm,
much holistically done and very precise to
mhm,
the personal requirements of individuals.
mhm,
Basically, so I give everybody the same thing is to have a proper mindset of whatever they are doing, and then
mhm,
if they have a proper mindset and a believe in themselves that they can do it,
mhm.
it is possible really. Because if they have a mindset, they will create a roadmap, they will call upon a mentor, they will find the mentor for themselves. And I think if you believe in yourself, anything is possible. So with that, they can
Yes,
achieve all of their personal and professional goals. So first just
I
put
agree with you.
on the track, and then everything will fall in place.
That's right. Absolutely. So, what are some common challenges your client usually face?
Yes, the first thing which they usually face, it's very common in everyone, is a lack of confidence basically.
Mhm,
They feel that they don't have confidence because of their speech problem maybe, and where
yes.
they're very conscious in terms of if you say public speaking or any random interaction between individuals as well, they
Mhm,
lack that confidence to come in front of public. So this is the
yes.
main common ground where they lack in that
Mhm,
particular area, and that's the reason if that is set, that foundation is created, I believe then the road is like it will be very smoother for them to approach. And
mhm,
the first thing is the lack of confidence, and second is they lack the purpose of life, their purpose
mhm.
in life. they want to achieve. Basically, that is very vague and very blurred. It's not prominent, like what they actually want to achieve in terms of years, numbers, or something, so that they can keep that as a goal setting and then they can move towards it. So basically, the lack of confidence, because they have no purpose in life, or they have that less vision of their purpose. They lack vision.
So I personally like your style of coaching, like one-on-one mentorship, so that
Yes.
you can get to know about them more and they can understand you well. That's really a very good idea, like one-on-one mentorship.
Yes.
So yeah, what advice would you like to give to someone who is really interested to learn soft skills, who would like to develop them personally and mentally?
Okay, so the advice which I want to give to all those individuals is first, gain that interest, first of all, that what is soft skills, how is it different from hard skills, and what is the importance. Unless and until you know the importance and how that will be impacting in your life, you will not be able to approach towards it. For example, if we want certain thing, we want to buy certain product, we should know how we will be able to utilize it in our life. Only then we'll be able to purchase it. Otherwise, we will just purchase and keep it. We'll not understand its benefits. It will just be a scrap for us. It will not be an asset. It will be an asset when we will know the benefits of it, we'll utilize it, and that would give us profit in return.
Yes.
So you have to understand the difference between hard skills and what are the different soft skills, how will it be beneficial in our life, and only then they can utilize it to the best way possible.
Yes. So you say that we should look after the output. We should know exactly what it is, and we should know about the output. So it was really nice talking to you, Selvina. But I have one last question for you. Would you like me to improve something? I want to hear that feedback from you.
What, like, the advice which I want to give for you to improve? Okay.
Yes. Anything. Like if you have any feedback for me, that would be like a great help so that I can change and I can improve.
For now, I cannot see anything for sure, but as we are in touch, obviously we will be able to work together and bring out all those points which is lagging behind,
Yes.
small nuances of it. So it's okay. For now, it's
Sure.
perfect.
I'm glad to hear this from you. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so
And would you like to share anything else about you and your journey, or it might be anything?
One last line which I would like to tell, especially the teenagers, starting from the teenagers, then to the people who are like, mid-aged, or, they're working somewhere. So it's just that do not stop believing in yourself. First of all, you can achieve anything. It's just you need to change your perspective and the way you look at things and the way you think you cannot do, or all those things which, the limiting beliefs which is pulling you back. So just sit with yourself, love yourself, know what you are. Self-awareness is something which is very important. And yes, then the sky is the limit. You can achieve anything you want.
Yes, exactly. We can move the mountains if we have that spirit within us.
Correct. And first is believing in yourself, and second is taking actions towards it. It's not only just sitting and thinking and dreaming, but taking legit steps towards it.
Believe, dream, achieve.
Yes, absolutely. This is
All
from
right,
my personal experience, so I was able to tell it very, very open-heartedly.
Thank you so much, Selvina. It was really nice talking to you. Thank you so much. I wish you good luck for your future endeavors and happy to have you here. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.
The same here, and I also wish you the same. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.